Hello everyone! Are you ready for a new class? In this unit, we're going to learn the properties of some materials and why it's important to choose the best materials for each object. Let's look at the properties of materials. Materials can be hard, waterproof, transparent, soft, flexible, rigid, opaque, or absorbent. We can describe a material with these words. Let's look at them. The first word is hard. Do you remember the meaning? Hard. This is hard. Okay? Another word is soft. This is a soft toy. Look, it's soft. Soft and hard are opposite words. Now let's look at rigid. Rigid, this ruler is rigid. You cannot bend it because it's rigid. However, flexible, this ruler is flexible. Rigid and flexible are opposite words. Now let's look at transparent. This glass is transparent because you can see through it. Transparent. Can you see it? However, opaque. This glass is opaque. You cannot see through it. Can you read the word now? So, transparent and opaque are opposite words. The last two words are waterproof. For example, this duck is waterproof. It's made of plastic and it's waterproof. It means that it keeps water out. Can you see it? And more water. Oops. It keeps water out. Can you see it? Great. And absorbent. This napkin is absorbent. Look. It's absorbing water. So, waterproof and absorbent are opposite words. So let's remember. Hard is the opposite of soft. Transparent is the opposite of opaque. Flexible is the opposite of rigid. Waterproof is the opposite of absorbent. Look at it and remember. Now it's your turn. What's the opposite of waterproof? Absorbent. Very good. What's the opposite of soft? Hard. Very good. What's the opposite of opaque? Transparent. And the last one is, what's the opposite of flexible? Rigid. Let's look at all the words. Soft, hard, opaque, rigid, waterproof, transparent, flexible, and absorbent. So now we're going to look at the glass. Do you remember? What did we say about this glass? Very good. It is transparent. The property of this material is transparent. This object is transparent, but it's also rigid and hard, for example. Now I'm going to change it. Now, this cup, this glass, is not made of glass, it's made of plastic. So it's still hard and rigid, but it's not transparent. It is opaque. Now, let's choose the properties for this material. It's a comb and it's made of plastic. So, what would you say? It's soft or hard? It's hard. Very good. And is it transparent or opaque? Can you see through it? No, it's opaque. And is it waterproof or absorbent? It's waterproof. Very good. Finally, is it flexible or rigid? It's rigid. So these are the 4 words that define this material. Now look at this piece of fabric. Can you see it? Good. So let's see. Is it soft or hard? It's soft. And transparent or opaque? Can you see through it? No, because it's opaque. And do you think it's absorbent or waterproof? Very good. It is absorbent. And flexible or rigid? It's flexible, because you can bend it. Which properties do we need to make a glove? A material that is rigid? No. A material that is hard? No. A glove needs to be soft and also flexible. And now the last one. These glasses. Which materials do we need to make a pair of glasses? The glass should be transparent. But we also need a rigid material. that you cannot break it very easily. So these are the properties of materials. Bye bye and see you next time.